Welcome to this video where you will learn how to avoid common grammar mistakes while writing work emails. Here's an email from an employee to a new joinee. You have to report to the new branch office located MG Road. Please find below the directions to reach the new branch office. Get down at the MG Road Metro and exit from gate number 2. Ask the cab driver to drop you off at Trinity Cinema. The Trinity Cinema is the XYZ main branch office. The main entrance door is closed. The main entrance you will find the cafeteria door. Enter from there and come to the first floor. Frosty's is the entrance to the branch office. We are Frosty's and IndyCube. If you face any issues, you can call me on 2222 2222. Did you notice that if prepositions were missing, the new joinee would not be able to find the location? To avoid these mistakes related to location, in this video, we will learn about prepositions of place. A preposition of place is used to talk about a place where something or someone is. It answers the question, where? Let us take a look at a few prepositions of place. In front of is used to talk about a thing in a position just ahead of someone or something else. For example, the application form is in front of the file, or the manager stands in front of the team. Behind is the opposite of in front of. It means at the back of something. For example, the application is behind the file, or who is behind the mask. Between shows that something is in the middle of two things or places. For example, the application is between the files, or number 5 is between the numbers 4 and 6. Opposite means on the other side of something. For example, I live opposite the bank, or the players sat opposite each other. Next to or beside is used to talk about a thing or person that is at the same side of another thing. For example, the application is next to the file, or the bride is sitting beside the groom. Near is similar to next to, and beside with more distance between the two things. For example, the application is near the file, or my house is near the bank. On means on a surface of something. For example, the clock is on the wall, or he put the application on the desk. Now that you know how to use the prepositions of place, let us review the email. You have to report to the new branch office located on MG Road. Please find below the directions to reach the new branch office. Get down at the MG Road Metro and exit from gate number 2. Ask the cab driver to drop you off at Trinity Cinema. Opposite Trinity Cinema is the XYZ main branch office. The main entrance door is closed. Beside the main entrance, you will find the cafeteria door. Enter from there and come to the first floor. Next to Frosty's is the entrance to the branch office. We are in between Frosty's and IndyCube. If you face any issues, you can call me on 2222 2222. We hope you have now understood how to use prepositions to talk about where things are.